Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hi friends, this is a 32-inch Impex LED TV that comes to me repair for the backlight related fault. Here you can see while turning on the TV the backlight comes for a second, then goes to no display issue. This is the fault, sound okay, no picture. Now let's start the repairing by removing the back cover of the TV. See friends, this is the motherboard of the TV. It's a 32-inch combo board is used in this TV. Here while checking we found the backlight is okay. Here actually the fault is with the inverter section in the motherboard. See here you can see a faulty capacitor in the inverter section. See the top portion of the capacitor is bulged already, it's not flat, this means it's a faulty capacitor. So to repair this TV we need to replace this faulty capacitor with new one. Finally we replaced the faulty capacitor with new one, and here you can see this is the old one. So now in this condition let's turn on the TV and check the complaint is solved or not. See now the picture comes along with backlight and the complaint is solved. Now the TV is repaired successfully. So in this condition now we can put the back cover and all screws back to the TV. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.